In this video, we will understand theorem related to circles. Let's continue with the first one. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Consider a circle with center point O. Let AB and CD be the two equal chords. Join the endpoints of each chord with center O, making angle AOB and COD respectively at the center. Triangles so formed are congruent as side AO is equal to side CO, which are the radii of circle. Similarly, side BO is equal to side DO are also the radii, thus are equal. Side AB and side CD are equal as given chords are equal. Therefore, by SSS criteria, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. By corresponding parts of congruent triangle, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Hence, the theorem is proved. The converse of the theorem is also true. That is, if the angles subtended by the two chords at the center are equal, then the length of the chords are also equal. For the proof, only the condition of congruency is changed. As central angle A1 is equal to central angle A2, side AO is equal to side CO, which are the radii of the circle. Similarly, side BO is equal to DO, which are also the radii and thus are equal. By SAS rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. By corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we conclude side AB is equal to side CD. Hence, the theorem is proved. So this was it for the video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.